check back and let's go. I am sorry, baby. I'm a father. That's to me. And I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, my awesome subscribers, I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for all your support, and I really appreciate it a lot. So guys, I don't know guys, I'm trying to go with on YouTube and I'm ready to get into it. Okay, so I got this request to check this video called Ruining My Hair Beyond Repair. So sad. Okay, first thing I want to say is that this person has over 400 and something thousand subscribers, which means this person can afford doing their hair, because at first I thought it was, you know, people that could not do their hair, they could not afford it, that's why they do it themselves. So let's see if this works out for her.
I'm gonna let you guys
decide
what color I'm going to dye my hair. Hello, if you're new here, my name's Mackenzie Marie. Sometimes I completely destroy my hair. I also talk to demons sometimes and explore my friend Hannah. Today I think I'm gonna destroy my hair again, or at least try to fix my hair. I always say I'm gonna destroy my hair because I really don't know what I'm doing. My roots are so grown out. Those are my roots.
Really? So she has like a level 2, level 3 hair. But first thing I want to say is that I know, wait, what's going on here? Because
that's how grown out they are. So we're gonna take care of that today.
Okay.
You my channel by watching one of my destroying my hair.
She's so beautiful to do her hair herself. I have to say that.
Buy myself a whole bunch of new hair dyeing destroying products.
What? You're so gorgeous to destroy your hair.
Well, this is the iconic bleach I always bleach my hair with. I just couldn't have it without a hair cap, so I had it.
She put the gloves on first.
And I saw that it had paw plant leaves on it.
Oh, that's nice for a thumbnail.
I had to get this. So today I have 2 scoops of bleach in the kitchen bowl.
2 scoops of lightener, honey. Lightener.
Not telling me that I'm
Okay, I am done. I hate when people say that word bleach. It is written lightener. I've never seen any product that will show me anything other than lightener. It shows me lightener. Everyone, I think I've done a video on this. Lightener, guys, it's lightener, people. It's all lightener. Stop saying the word bleach. Bleach makes me want to throw up. Ew. I don't like that word. I don't know why. I've never been a fan of that word. It's like I'm bleaching, skin bleaching. That's how I feel whenever I hear that. So I don't like it at all. But let's get into it, honey. Wait, you decided to ruin your hair.
Pour it into your kitchen bowl. I'm just gonna brush through my hair real quick, try to get the knots.
Was that an SM or something? Okay, now. Wait, guys, I want to say something, right? She has a short called VidCom. That means she has gone to the VidCom show, and she's a big YouTuber, 400,000 plus subscribers. Honey, you're big YouTuber, so I don't know why. Why don't you guys just contact? Wait, I'm already upset, kinda, because
the game plan is to get all this dark color out of here and lighten this a little bit. I'm gonna let you guys decide what color I'm going to dye my hair. So right now, make sure
I'm laughing because I am excited to see this. Makes no sense at all. I don't know why you would do it yourself, but
color gets the most comments. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair that color in tomorrow's video. So hard.
No!
Hard to do this right.
Wait! What's up?
Scared right now. Okay.
This is not what I'm looking.
I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job. Learn how to do hair after all of these brutal, awfully, painfully sad times.
Wait.
Enjoying it. I feel like I'm getting somewhere.
No, wait.
I'm not doing hair. Maybe Brad.
Hold on. Wait. Don't tell me that you put the lighter on your scalp. Are you kidding me? Sorry, why are you guys doing this to yourselves?
Bill was right. It's not itchy yet. I haven't gotten in my eyes yet. There's a plus right there. I really hope the top of my head isn't yellow and then the bottom's just like purple.
It's gonna be Hot Roots, honey. Hot Roots 101. You guys know I did a video on Hot Roots, how to prevent it.
See, this is why I don't need to go to the salon. Because I'm doing so good at the beginning. Now I can't really see.
Why would you do this? Okay, stop it now. Honey, you have over 400 and something subscribers. Why don't you contact Gaitan and Brad Mondo? to get your hair done. But at least contact Guy Time, because you're at a level where Guy Time can actually say, oh, I can help you out. You guys have the money. You have YouTube money. You should be able to do your hair like with a professional. Go to Guy Time or Bright Mondo to get your hair done. Really great. One of those big YouTubers can actually do your hair. I don't know why you do this, except for the viewers. What's gone?
Like,
oh, you have over 1.something million views. Well,
just fade it into my actual hair color.
You faded what into what? Oh no, she did.
That is literally turning blue.
Hold on, she did overlapping. Are you kidding me? No. You don't overlap, especially when you're inexperienced. You don't overlap your lightener from the virgin hair to the colorized hair. Honey, you will have breakage and your hair will turn green, blue. Like, of course, it's normal. It's called oxidation, girl. Oxidation. I don't know if you've... Yeah. So...
Why is it turning blue?
Because it's oxidizing. But why will you overlap it? This guy is stupid.
Why?
Are you kidding me? Honey.
What? Everybody said, hey, Kenzie, go
She did it on her scalp.
to a professional. Save yourself the pain. Save yourself the tears.
Go to a professional. Why would you do it yourself? If she could not afford it, then I'll say yes. But you took money, honey. At 400 and something that you're making bank, right?
It's like, I can do my hair.
Not like us making $20.
I make tragedies.
Honey, you make volcano. Turn that.
It's getting greener and greener. Okay.
Wait, has she not colored her hair before? Wait, she does not. She has no idea that it's gonna be doing that. Honey, girl. Yeah, it's gonna do that, honey. It's called oxidation. Everyone knows that.
I'm thinking in my head, maybe I should just stop, but
I wanna see the results. Are you kidding me? You guys are gonna kill me with videos like this. Honey, she just wait on her scalp.
I'm finger and it's just getting greener and crunchy.
Honey, I've not watched your other videos, but this is horrible. This job I'm seeing right now.
I have brushed through all the bleach in my hair. This is what my hair looks like. The sides are orange, the top is purple, and the middle is green blue. I am going to put this head cap on my head and just hope that it comes out okay.
Are you kidding me? Guys, if she was a small YouTuber like me that has no money, I'll say, okay, that's why. But she's a big YouTuber. You should be able to afford getting your hair done professionally. You can meet other big YouTubers that are hairdressers, Red Bondo and Guy Tang, you know. People like that, they'll get your hair done and tell you to be better. You're a social media influencer, why?
I just watched out the last set of bleach. I bleached my hair 3 different times.
No, you did not.
This color. My hair is messed up.
You're gonna get packages.
So bad. Every single time that I've ever done a hair showing video, I don't think my hair's ever been
you trying to save money?
Bad before.
Oh, hey, what is
down below you.
Yes, baby.
To dye my hair.
Stop! I want to see it now.
Tomorrow's video.
No, I want to see it now.
All been waiting for. This is what my hair looks like.
Yes, honey. Let me see. Rip.
Oh no, she didn't. oh no, this heifer didn't.
It's a lot lighter. Just because of how dead my hair was. Like, it's literally at the point where, like...
Stop! Guys, our hair is like this. It's like a noodle. Our hair is like my shorts. Our hair is the color of my shorts. So, guys, right now she's like a level... Will I call that a level 8 or a level 9? Cold yellow. A level 8 or level 8, but between the level 8 and the level 9, no. She looks like a canary, a yellow mustard orange or mustard yellow canary.
So
What were you thinking?
in yesterday's video, I told you guys to comment down below what color you wanted me to dye my hair. And
I'm sorry, guys. Guys, Brad Wonder, you guys better go get your sister and fix her hair. From henceforth, tell her not to do her hair herself. Tell her that you guys will take it upon yourselves to do her hair for her, because this is ridiculous. She's a big YouTuber.
If you have not seen me destroy my hair yet,
Are you kidding me? Honey, I was so
the winner is pink!
Oh,
I just want to point out that my hair is extremely destroyed, extremely damaged.
Your hair is like a noodle.
Waiting for my hair to dry for like the past 2 hours, and it's
2 hours and your hair is still not dry, guys. That means she has no hair. At this point, her hair is ready to just break off. That's what it's holding on for its last breath, like the hair is begging her, please shave me off, take me out.
still not dry. Like it's
The hair is like garbage. I'm out of here.
Oh my God. We'll know in the next couple days if I do that or not.
Yes, honey. What were you thinking?
So overdoing
Jesus
my
Christ.
hair. I've learned my lesson the hard way, and you know what? I'm not. I went through all just to shave all
Is she
my
serious?
hair off. It's falling out.
Yes.
Long, beautiful hair. I'm sorry that I have destroyed you. At this point, I don't even know how to be done.
I'm sorry that I'm laughing as a hairstylist. I'm about to be like, please, you have to do it twice so that way they won't see this canary.
It was nice knowing your beautiful hair. Sometimes in life you make very bad mistakes.
Honey, this is one of them.
Those things.
I'm sorry.
I will never dye my hair again.
Oh, honey, you're lying,
I
girl.
don't know if it's all gonna fall out. This time I really
Yeah, honey, you can
I
see.
did this to myself about
Why would you do this to yourself?
sophomore year of high school. This is hair. Then I'm gonna wash it out and we'll see the results in the morning.
I was.
Although I want to stay here and tell you guys that my hair came out amazing and I didn't mess it up, and I am good at doing my hair. The truth is, say I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're
I
doing.
don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my
Yesterday
gosh.
I learned my lesson that I'm not a hairstylist and
I'm so
I
sorry.
shouldn't be doing hair. The ends of my hair are
Gone.
completely split.
Did she say split? Honey, the ends of your hair are. This is what they told you. Bye, Felicia. I am going to Mount Everest. I am done with you. No, you guys are evil. I'm sorry. You guys just
She all the way to the top of my head, to the point where
It's dry, and look at how it
I
is.
have to cut all of my hair off. I know that right
Honey,
now my
no, you should
hair
do something
looks
like a
fine.
bob.
I can't even brush through it with a wide tooth comb, let alone any brush,
it
or
is
my hair
bad.
starts falling out in chunks. Really gross, and it feels really gross. Last night I was on the phone with Bailey and I felt so gross about myself. I felt like I made a big mistake. I was crying. I didn't want to look at myself in the mirror.
You don't have to
I
shave
thought
all your
I
hair,
was
just do it,
But
bob.
most of all, I was so mad at myself.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And just embarrassed to be me. This goes beyond.
Oh, you can tell, you can hear that she's crying in her voice because she knows that what she has done is fucked up. She has effed up her hair. I hope she. Why would you do this to yourself?
Any
You can
hair
contact
mistake. This literally goes down to the
Radmondo
core of
and
who I
Guy
am.
Time. Don't
And
get your
I
hair
always felt like
done.
my hair made
What's
me who
your
I
point?
was. One of my
Yes.
friends was a girl I know, and watching her video, I realized, I hide behind my hair. In her video, she says that she hides behind her hair. Going through this, are going through this, I'm going through this. If you're going through this and you're not alone, society has
Now she's
conditioned
becoming.
us
Now
to
she's
be
becoming more
one
of a.
specific type of beautiful, and if
Wait,
you don't fall
hold
into
on.
those specific
Now she's becoming a Me Too pioneer, like a Me Too movement. That's what she's doing now. Regarding hair. Girl, you should know better. Why will you do your hair yourself? This makes no sense to
categories,
me.
you are ugly to society's image. You are less of a person. You are less worthy than the rest of us because you don't think our lifestyles. We shouldn't allow hair, makeup, body image, the size you are to define how good.
But girl, you have makeup on, you have nice hair that you've messed up. So I'm confused now. I really am confused. I really am. Anyway, you should not have done this to yourself. You know that.
You are as a person. None of those things define you. All these fucking things that we believe.
Wait, I'm confused now because it's like me saying something to someone that has a different, let's say, skin color or something, telling them that, hey, don't worry, everything will be fine with you. You know, you will never have sunburn. I'm looking at my skin and I'm like, I'm just confused because she's pretty, she has makeup on, she has her hair that she messed up. Now I think, okay, oh, I know what she's doing. She's trying to, I know she's empowering herself before dealing with the hair.
What makes you a good person is the actions you take, the way you respond to people.
Yes.
Do you give? Do you take time? Are you there for people? Are you honest? Can I trust you? Are you respectful? That's what makes a good person.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And said I was fucking ugly because
why would you do that? Why would you
my hair off?
Wait, why would you even?
I'm not just cutting my hair off because it's dead. I'm cutting my hair off to make a point that this doesn't make me pretty. You know, this doesn't make me wait. This doesn't make me.
Oh no, she didn't. Oh no, this heifer didn't.
Oh honey, wait, hold on, wait, hold on. What just happened? Did you just go? You just did pride match in there. I was not expecting pride match in the video. You did this and now you're trying go. Now you're doing go power. Honey, I'm confused now. What just happened? Honey, you just this is not that serious, girl. Honey, people have gone through so much worse things. What just happened? People have gone through so much worse things. This should not be. Girl, you have hair. There are people who have thin hair, fine hair, that are balding. Now, those people, you can still grow your hair out. So why I don't get it. Okay, this.
Anything. It just makes my hair long or short. So now that my hair is beyond repair, it's time to cut it all off.
Hold on, honey. You cannot blame society for this. I'm sorry. You just, what the, girl, you ruined your hair. You just suddenly changed everything like you, oh, girl. Honey, you did this. This is not, society did not do this to your hair. You did this. Like, stop listening to what society thinks about how short your hair is. But no, this video should not be that type of video. I am sorry, but that's the truth, girl. Okay, anyway, I love you guys so much, but guys, Mackenzie did this to her hair. She's talking about the hair like, oh yes, you guys, you know, because I'm a female and I have hair, people want the hair to be this and this. No, girl, you did this to your hair. Like the way you sounded now, it just went from fun craziness of you. Now you're not kind of pushing that society is making you feel bad about yourself, girl. You can grow your hair. There are people that are losing hair as they grow older. Those people are going bald. People are having cancer. People are having other problems. People are having their houses burned. California wildfire, all this stuff. Those are problems, not your hair. Are you serious right now? Okay, honey. Anyway, I love you guys so much, but I am shocked that my problem is that you should not do your hair yourself. You're a big YouTuber. You can meet Vadmondo, Guy Tsai, you can meet Brittany Gray. These people, they can all do your hair. They're bigger YouTubers. You know, you guys, big YouTubers mixed with big YouTubers. I know this story. I know how you guys do it. So you can actually meet them to get your hair done and they can record it and, you know, it's a content for them. So I don't know why you'll be doing your hair yourself. That's my issue. And then you messed up your hair. I can tell that you don't know what you're doing as a professional, and I can tell. But you know, it's like Me Too, Pride March, all that's all up in society. I'm like, well, society wanting you to confirm. I was like, girl, say what now? It's like telling someone that has no hair, bald hair, telling them, oh, don't worry, I'm with you. No, you're not with them, honey, because they cannot change our situation, but you can change yours. So what just happened? Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'm Mackenzie. I love you too, okay? Just be careful with your hair, honey. Get it done by a professional, okay? I'm from Saudi, and that's it. Bye now.